Fellow Kenyans, ladies and gentlemen, today we met as the National Executive Council of the DCP Party at our headquarters, and in attendance were honorable members who are great friends of the party. When we agreed on the following: one, as we approach the by-elections scheduled for 27th November 2025, and in preparation for subsequent nominations and elections, the National Executive Council has enhanced two vital organs of the party: one, the National Elections Board; two, the National Appeals and Dispute Resolution Panel. These organs will provide the expertise required to ensure fair, transparent, and effective internal processes. As a party, we are firm in advocating for democratic governance, the protection of civil liberties, and the defense of Kenya's sovereignty against the excesses of the punitive Kenya Kwanza regime. Kenya will witness 1 senatorial, 6 National Assembly, and 17 ward by-elections on 27 has resolved to work closely with like-minded partners to secure victory for the DCP candidates across the country. In the spirit of collaboration and fairness under the united opposition and our resolve to unity ahead of the 2027 general elections, leading to the identification of one presidential candidate to face William Ruto, we have agreed that DCP will support the Democratic Party in Mbeere North constituency, acknowledging that the seat was previously held by the Democratic Party and should rightfully be retained for the party's candidate to complete a full term, and hence DCP has agreed to give support to the Democratic Party candidate and start down our candidate at DCP. This decision has also been informed by the recognition that the Honorable Justin Bidan Mutuli, the party leader of the Democratic Party, is a great leader from that region with enhanced capacity and undoubted leadership qualities to lead the Democratic Party into winning the seat. We shall therefore support the Democratic Party candidate and ask our members in Mbeere North to support that candidate from the Democratic Party. Number two, we have also agreed that we support the Wiper Patriotic Front candidate in Mubuni ward in Machakos County under the opposition banner. Equally, we have also agreed to support the candidate of the DAP Kenya candidate in Kabuchai and Chwele ward in Bungoma County. For other elective positions, DCP shall field and mobilize fully to campaign, popularize, and seek votes at our party ticket. As we compete, we shall respect our opposition parties in those regions, mindful that democracy is the preserve of every Kenyan. This consensus and agreement among the parties in the united opposition only applies to the by-elections. However, let me confirm that in the 2027 general election, DCP shall field a presidential candidate and other candidates in the 290 constituencies, 47 counties, and 1,450 wards across the Republic. Three, to strengthen our campaign machinery, NEC has today established a fully equipped electoral secretariat domiciled at the party headquarters. This secretariat will coordinate strategy, logistics, messaging, branding, and resource mobilization for our candidates. Security and national concern. Fellow Kenyans, as a party, we are deeply concerned with the security situation in northeastern Kenya and particularly in Mbeere County. We have spoken not once, not twice about our diplomacy and Kenya's interference through William Ruto on external affairs of other nations, including Somalia, Sudan, Southern Sudan, DRC, among others. The Constitution of Kenya, Article 1, reminds us all sovereign power belongs to the people of Kenya and shall be exercised only in accordance with this Constitution. Yet today, that sovereignty is under siege from foreign forces and a leadership too timid or too compromised to defend it. The Democracy for the Citizens Party therefore registers its deepest outrage at the continued presence of a foreign militia from Jubaland entrenched in Mbeere County and its environs. This is not just a policy misstep, it's national betrayal. Kenya, once an island of peace and stability in the Horn of Africa, has now been reduced to a staging ground for foreign forces and rival militias. This is a dangerous affront to our sovereignty and a mockery of sacrifices our gallant soldiers who fought for decades and shed blood to secure our borders. Let it be known, Kenya is not for sale. Not an inch of our soil shall ever be occupied by foreign powers. Bwana Ruto, you shall not sell our hard-earned freedom for a mess of pottage. We the people shall reclaim it. The Constitution of Kenya, Article 238, Sub-Article 1, states, national security shall be pursued in compliance with the law and with utmost respect for the sovereignty of the people of Kenya. And Article 241, Sub-Article 3, makes it clear the Kenya Defence Forces, KDF, shall defend and protect the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the Republic. The silence from the Commander-in-Chief is all telling. Little can be left for guesswork. If William Ruto's recklessness and casualness as militia from Jubaland continue to wreak havoc on the Kenyan soil is anything to go by, he must be advised that the presence of foreign militias in Mbeere County is a direct violation of international law and a breach of Kenya's diplomatic obligations. DCP Party therefore demands with immediate effect, 1, that Jubaland militia and all foreign militia be flushed out of our country and Kenyan soil with immediate effect. 2, that the learning institutions in Mbeere closed due to invasion by the Jubaland militia and other terrorist groups be reopened immediately and learners be provided with security without fail. The children of Kenya should not pay the price for cowardice or business interests of William Ruto and his allies. Number 3, that the KDF be allowed to discharge its full constitutional mandate without interference from corrupt individuals in the executive who seek to mortgage Kenya's sovereignty for personal gain. Mr. William Ruto, we are putting you on notice that Kenya's territorial integrity is sacred. Our sovereignty is not negotiable. If you cannot defend the people and the Republic of Kenya from foreign invasion, not forgetting your bloody track record over the last 3 years, you know the honorable thing to do. I urge the patriotic people of Kenya to stand firm and defend our Constitution, safeguard our sovereignty, and protect our children's future before it is too late. The freedom we enjoy today as a country was never given to us. Our parents went into the forest and shed blood. The DCP Party reiterates that our commitment to Kenyans is anchored in justice, fairness, democracy, and accountability. We shall remain steadfast in defending the rights of all citizens, working with partners under the United Opposition banner, and ensuring that the will of the people is respected, protected, and fulfilled. God bless you. God bless Kenya.
That's good.